Hey guys, it's Gordo. We're going to be doing an unboxing and first impressions of the Babyliss Pro Boost Matte Black Clippers. New to the clippers is going to be a higher torque motor, a new fade blade, and a diamond textured rubber handle that have a longer run time of 2 hours, a 5-way adjustable handle, all metal housing, and you can use these corded or non-corded. It also comes with 8 premium guards and a hanging hook. Unboxing, everything you see here is going to be in the box except for the foil shavers and the trimmers on the left. Everything else is in the box, ready to go. It comes with some oil, it comes with a guard, a brush, a replacement piece for the blade, and then also a screwdriver so that you can zero grab the clippers. So these are the trimmers. They also have the same diamond textured rubber handle, and they feel really good in my hands when I'm using them. They cut nice and sharp. I did have to zero gap these as well as the clippers. These are going to be the guards. It has the 0.5 up to a 6. This is the FX Matte Black foil shaver. I've used this a few times when I do bald fades for myself. It has a nice feel, a nice weight to it. There's 2 indentations, one in the front, one in the back for ease of use. And then you can get a good flick when you're shaving. They're also very easy to clean. You just pop off the top, brush away the debris, and you're good to go. So these are gonna be the Matte Black Boost clippers. I do enjoy the rubber handle. It just gives good security, like a good firm grip when you're using the clippers. My last clippers were a pair of walls, and for the guard adjustment, you did not have click-ins, like there weren't detents, so it was just all feel. So this is probably better for beginners, which I would consider myself. If you're trying to do fades in different styles, it's nice that you know the blade is and the guard is secured. At first glance, everything looks really good. Everything also fits in the box that the clippers came into, so let's get over to the lab. Here we are, and this is just gonna be a first impressions. It's not gonna be a walkthrough. I'm sure I have a video on that somewhere that you could probably find. But here I am just going through the different guards. I threw a couple different guards on there, and they were too long, so I just went with just the clippers, and you can see me cutting through the bulk here. It's actually pretty easy that it's going through. I did zero gap these beforehand, so they cut down pretty close to the skin if you're going against the grain. I always find that it's best to cut my hair with zero distractions, so I'm glad that I had that for this, and I could just focus on what I was doing. Going through the beard a little bit, and then the lining, taking that down with the eyebrows. So these are the trimmers here, and I use those just for touching everything up. I threw a guard on to trim my beard down because it was getting a little long. And then I come back through with the trimmers to clean everything up. So everything is cutting really well, nice and crisp. When you use the clippers, you can hear them crunching and you can feel them cutting. And you have a good sense of what's going on, a good feel with the clippers. My last clippers fell apart on me after several years, so if I wanted to keep cutting hair myself, this is what I needed to do, is grab another pair. So these are the Matte Black Boost Clippers by Babyliss. Thanks for watching.